Meta just released their game-changing VR headset, the Meta Quest 3, as well as some other unexpected surprises. Today, I'll share the biggest news from the Meta Connect event, including Mark Zuckerberg's game plan around mixed reality, AI, and smart glasses. Let's break it down. First, the Meta Quest 3. Imagine having the power to merge the real and digital worlds without breaking the bank. This brand new headset starts at just $499 with a lightning-fast Snapdragon XR2. It boasts 10 times more pixels than the old Quest. Plus, it scans your room automatically for obstacles. From building Legos to virtual meetings, it's not just VR, it's a whole new level. Besides the higher resolution, lightning-fast processing speed, and a 40% smaller design, the Meta Quest 3 will allow you to play Xbox right inside the headset, which is crazy. Meta also introduced Emu, the image generation tool embedded right into WhatsApp and Messenger, as well as Instagram getting some AI tools accessible to everyone for free. Meta is meeting users where they're at, making AI tools more accessible and widespread than any other platforms out there. Did I mention that they're free? Zuckerberg has a very unique take on AI. Forget one superintelligence that you can talk to for all your queries and questions. Meta is banking on a diverse range of models that you can talk to for your various needs. These agents will have their own personalities and will even live in the metaverse. Imagine a personal chef or a sports coach or a party planner always available when you need them. And did I mention big names like Snoop Dogg and Mr. Beast are also available as agents, which is pretty cool. The RayBan smart glasses are getting a makeover. Better cameras, microphones, and speakers, although no display yet. But here's the kicker. Those AI agents we talked about earlier, they're making their way into the glasses' voice assistant. Plus live streaming straight to Instagram, which will be a huge deal for some creators. In conclusion, Meta's vision is taking shape from both ends. Lighter, smarter glasses with improved sensors on one side, and on the other, those VR headsets are going mixed reality and slimming down. These updates are all about sharing moments, asking questions, and staying present. Is Meta stretching itself thin with all these developments, or are they strategically finding their sweet spot? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. Unlike Apple, Meta's on a mission to bring cutting-edge technology to the masses. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube and newsletter where I share more stories like this directly to your inbox. Thank you.